That on my past videos, I always film inside my home. So today, since it's very hot, we decided to walk around and I'm here now at Admiralty Park. Join me as I will tour you around inside. Enjoy! But before that, if you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe as well as hit the bell button too so you'll get notified whenever I have new uploads.
Located in woodlands, Admiralty Park is the largest park in the north. It is situated on hilly terrain with river running through it and houses the largest nature area within an urban park. The enhanced 7-hectare urban area now features 26 slides, the most number of slides in any park in Singapore. The widest slide and the longest slide in a public park can be found here. Admiralty Park also features an inclusive playgrounds. These playgrounds provide the physical structure or hardware that supports play between children with and without special needs. The 20-hectare nature area encompasses a diverse mix of secondary forest, mangrove, riverine, and open grassland habitats, and is home to more than 100 species of flora and fauna. With several trails within the 20-hectare nature area, visitors can discover the different species living in the forest, spot hordes of dragonflies, and observe monkeys in their natural habitat. Alternatively, emerge from the secondary forest near the car park and admire the butterflies and different species of birds as you walk through the grassland. The walking trail also showcases interesting flora like the butted kampong tree and climbers like hedgehog rattan, an increasingly rare plant in Singapore.
Hi guys! We're here at the Admiralty Park. Here there's a legend: parkland, park connector network, river, footpath, road, bridge, boardwalk, car park, bicycle bay, motorcycle lot, toilet, sleeping fountain, F&B, fitness corner, playground, shelter, amphitheater. And there are park etiquette here. Like, you just need to enjoy the flora and the fauna in this nature area. And you cannot take home anything, but only photographs and fun memories. Oh, that's good. The nature area does not recycle rubbish. Please take out what you have brought in and leave nothing but footprints. It rhymes. Then, there are a lot here. Like, you cannot feed monkeys because next time, they become aggressive and snatch food from you if you feed them. And they're saying that they have enough food in the nature area. There are also here like, the trails are for both hiking and cycling. Please be considerate and give way to other users. There's also here like, it is a responsibility to conserve the living things in our nature area, both for your enjoyment and that of our future generations. This is very good actually. I like it. And there are don'ts here, like no smoking, no littering, no unauthorized vehicles, no open fires and no barbecuing, no plucking of plants, no feeding of wild animals, no fishing or poaching, no raising of animals, and no pets allowed at the play area. Be considerate. So now, let's enjoy the park! Come on! Oh, there is a guide here. There is the west entrance, 70 meters. The junior play area is there, 150 meters away. Exercise corner, 320 meters away. South entrance, 320 meters away. Then the nature park is there, 200 meters. Food and beverage, 90 meters. It's just near here. And amphitheater, 60 meters. Toilet also, 40 meters away from here. At South entrance, I think it's closed there. The South entrance is closed. It's so windy here. It's so nice, especially at night. Very calm, very peaceful. We only can see here those who bike, those who do exercise, those who jog. So, if you really wanted to feel the nature and fresh air, this place is so good for it. Rain garden in Admiralty Park. Oh, there's some explanation here, and then there's some description like how stormwater is treated with a rain garden. Oh, that's cool. I'm also hearing the sounds of the lizards. We actually wanted to go to the nature park. This is the way going there. But when I saw it, it's very dark. And I learned that there's really no light at night there because we're going to disturb animals. So I think that's the reason why there's no light. There are monkeys and other animals living there. So I cannot show you around the nature park. Maybe next time, during daytime, I'll come back again and tour you there. We're going back there at the children's park or on the near the south entrance. Play area of the children, and I like the sound. Can you hear the crickets? I'm enjoying the sound of the crickets. And there are less people here because now is a weekend. Now is a weekday, and it's around 9 p.m. already. So there are less people. Like we can only see those who jog, who walk, who cycle. Hearing the sound, I like it, and it started to be windy also. Around 10 p.m. it's so windy here. about to go home now. We've been through the whole park and hopefully you enjoyed the view of the park. It's just that we never see the nature park because it's too dark there. See you again on my next video. Take care, guys. Bye!